So I'm at a car show and there's all kinds of exotic cars, and there's a Subaru with a 10 on top. That's something you wouldn't necessarily see every day, but there's quite a variety of cars. I do have something really unique that I want to shoot, and hopefully the owner of the car shows up. It's a Chrysler by Maserati, and I would say it's mid maybe 85, 87, somewhere in that range, 1985, 87. But let's walk around, I'll show it to you, and hopefully I'll do a walk around. I got to do that truck that just pulled in. I'll go up and grab that guy. There's that Chrysler by Maserati. I'll snag this guy while he's with his truck. And that Aston Martin, I'm going to hit that too.